Hi, today I'm for the new REALME Narzo 50 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off NFC on this device. So let's first open the settings app and then we should tap to connection and sharing. Here you'll see NFC section, so just to activate NFC or to turn it off, we should click once on this switcher. And that's it. To change default payment method app, you should tap here to the section and switch the Google Pay if you got another payment application on your device. So also I got one more way how we can do that. We should first open the control panel and to find the NFC icon. So just to activate NFC or to turn it off, we should tap on this icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.